Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Today we're diving into a critical issue that can ruin your engine fast: overheating. And more importantly, we'll talk about what most mechanics won't tell you. These are the real reasons your engine is running hot, and how to spot the warning signs before you're left stranded. Let's get started. What really happens when engine overheat? Your engine operates at a normal temperature range between 195 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 to 105 degrees Celsius. When it crosses that range, the metal parts expand more than they should, gaskets fail, oil thins out, and combustion becomes unstable. But what mechanics won't always explain is that overheating doesn't just come from a lack of coolant. In many cases, it's a systemic issue, a combination of small problems that build up. Let me explain. You could have a radiator that's not flowing properly, a stuck thermostat, a water pump with a bad impeller, air pockets in the cooling system, or even an electronic fan that doesn't kick in. Hidden causes mechanics often don't bring up. Here are 5 hidden overheating causes that are often overlooked. 1. Failing head gasket, early stage. Before it fails completely, it can cause internal pressure buildup that restricts coolant flow. 2. Radiator cap failure. If your radiator cap doesn't hold the correct pressure, usually 13 to 16 psi, coolant boils at a lower temp. That's a silent killer. 3. Cooling fan relay or temp sensor. If your fan doesn't activate, especially in traffic, that heat has nowhere to go. You won't notice it until you're stuck. 4. Clogged heater core or radiator fins. These reduce flow. If your heat isn't working in the cabin, it could be your first clue. Have transmission cooler issues in radiator. In automatic vehicles, if this internal cooler leaks, ATF mixes with coolant, and that's a disaster waiting to happen. What mechanics may not tell you. Some mechanics might just top up your coolant and send you off, especially if the issue isn't easy to reproduce. They may avoid going deeper because it takes time and customers often want the cheapest fix. But without pressure testing, block testing for head gasket leaks, or checking coolant flow and fan timing, the real cause stays hidden. And here's the truth. If your engine has overheated once, the damage might already be done. Warped heads, weakened gaskets, or damaged cylinder walls. You need to address it completely or the problem will return. Here's what you can do to stay ahead. Regularly check coolant level and color. Inspect the radiator cap and hoses for swelling or leaks. Listen for fan engagement after you turn off the engine. Turn on the heater full blast in an overheating emergency. It can draw heat away from the engine. Invest in a basic OBD2 scanner. Check for temp codes or fan faults. And always stop driving if you see the temp gauge rising or get a warning light. The cost of towing is nothing compared to a head gasket job. Engine overheating is more than just a coolant issue. It's often the result of ignored maintenance and hidden problems. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Daily Auto Tips, and drop a comment below with your overheating horror story or question.